Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about modifying your Papercut settings. It's not the most intuitive process, especially if you're using something else. However, it is pretty straightforward and easy to do. So right here I have a Word document. It is going to be slightly different between Word and Pages, and I'll show you that. But besides those two major differences, it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to go up to File and I'm going to print this blank page as if it's a real document that I want, and it's going to take me a second. There we go. So notice Papercut selected, and I don't really see anywhere where I can double-side it or anything like that. So I'm going to go where it says Copies and Pages, and I'm going to go down to the very bottom, Xerox Features. And if I click on Xerox Features, here's where I can choose a one-sided print or a double-sided. Right underneath it, I can choose a staple or how many, things like that. And I can go on and do all these different things. So it's right there under Xerox Features. Now, if you're printing, let's say, a Pages document, the good news is it's a little bit easier. I'm going to open up Pages, and then I'm going to go to File and Print. And you'll notice if I want it to be a double-sided print, I can just select it right here, and so then I don't have to really worry or change too many things about it. And then if I want to add a staple or something, it's under Printer Features at the very bottom again. So no, it's not quite as nice looking once I get into these deeper features, but Printer Features, and then I have to kind of scan down a whole lot of stuff that I really don't care too much about until I see stapling right there. And then I can change from a 1, 2 to 4 staple. So the double-sided's a little bit easier to find, but the staple's a little bit harder, so I guess it turns out to be a wash either way. But hopefully that's not too confusing, and besides that, that's pretty much where you can find the stuff. So between Word and Pages, if I try and print a PDF or something from the web, it might look, this interface might look a little bit different, but if you usually try and find something like printer settings or layout or copies pages, that should be kind of hidden in one of those menus. Thank you very much. Good luck. Bye.